Hello everyone, I am Dr. Tehseen Chaudhary and today I will be discussing on the learning situation. It is also known as ideal learning situation to achieve success. As you can see, there are 5 elements in the learning situation. Learners are the center point in any learning situation. Teacher, subject matter, teaching material and physical facilities are other factors which are interrelated to the learners. These are the 5 elements of learning: learner, teacher, subject matter, physical facilities and teaching material. We will be discussing one at a time. The first are the learners. Learners should have the need for information. They should be interested in learning. They should be capable of learning and they should use the information which is gained to them through learning. The second are the teacher or the instructor. The teacher or instructor should have clear objectives in what he is teaching. The teacher should know the subject matter very well. The teacher should be very well organized. He should be enthusiastic and energetic in teaching. The teacher should be able to communicate with the learners. They should be prepared with the subject and be skillful enough in the art of teaching. Subject matter. Subject matter is the content or the syllabus which a particular person learns when he is in the learning situation. The subject matter should be applicable to the learner's need, applicable in real life situation and not just imaginary. The subject matter should be taught at the intellectual level of the learners and not as the teachers. It should be presented clearly. The subject matter should be well organized and it should satisfy the needs of the learners. Unless and until the need of the learners are satisfied, the learners are not going to learn any new thing. Then the next is physical facilities. Physical facilities should be free from outside distraction. It should be well lighted and ventilated. There should be adequate space for the entire group of learners to sit comfortably and the furniture should also be comfortable. Then the last are the teaching equipments. Teaching equipments should meet the need effectively. It should be readily available for the learners. Each item should be used skillfully and it should be understandable to the learners. Thank you.